N'omuyega bw'ogucengera aborokiwa ba PP2 abo bono bagucagoswa grade 1 omwaka bw'ekiri 2025 ase skuru y'oboroso ya Green Valley ase bono aborokiwa bwo borokia omugokobo ase ogotenga na gotera obuya aborokia babo banyale ko borokia omugeni omonene ase omuyigo yo nigo anyara kubasaba abaibori gucha kubalinda abana babo ase ruseyega entambe anene mono korotota aya abana babo bakurigereria na gosoma engane iyo yaigwa okobako no director we school yo Mr. Mohan.
I wish that all of us can formulate that future you want to bring up in your child, so that as they grow they know that this is what my parents have created for me, and they also appreciate that you have taken the time to take them to school, so that now that they are graduating, my message will be one. Since we are going to take Christmas holidays, it's a long holiday, and in the current year mwaka, you realize that Christmas holiday is the long one. How many days? 2 months. So ideally it's another time at home. So parents, I'm urging you, as the speakers before me have said, tafadhali tutunge watoto, and if your child has started school anyway, you don't need to let them interact more with the television and the phones. I'm told there are so many books that can keep these young ones engaged. So you engage them that way, and please take care of them. I've seen many children get injuries during the holidays. They are not there because of our busy schedule with parents. I'm encouraging all of us to take care of the children.
Going in for a local holidays, and pitfalls are there, especially for the kids. Parents have to give extra care to see what this is doing. Because somebody is going to live one, somebody is going to be two. When they are traveling, when they are even connected to home. Also, in handling of the mobile phones, please be very, very careful. We have to be extra careful. They are exposed to so many things, not like the way we are when we are exposed. So these ones, parents have to take care, and they have to guide them. And of course, another request is, festive seasons come and go. This is not going to be the last Christmas we are going to have. We shall have Christmas, we shall have New Year's celebrations. All and all, don't over-celebrate.
Boigo nigo abaibori basabwa kubalinda abana babo ase okobaira ekanisa bunenchera ya moyo kubabeka angeno monene elio kubakonyeke kurwa ase amatemwa amange agendrete ase nseyiga.
We encourage our children to also go to church Saturdays, Sundays, and different religions. So please encourage the children also to maintain that. Biblia inasema ya kwamba if you get everything in this world, but you do not preserve the kingdom of heaven, it will be useless at the end of the day. Sinukuli wazazi? Sinukuli? So ni vizuri pia to encourage watoto wetu as young as they are, whatever trade, they go and worship.
Sichinga kyecho nigo baganirwa omwaka omoya oyole bosio asomo director abenekeria omwaka omoya amange na chigwikiraniwa anene asensemo ye school fees.
And this day, of course, is a great day for the graduates. Those who are graduating from PP2 in grade 1. And of course, the attendance is quite good, and that also shows support to the parents now for the school. And I would like to request for the same in the coming years. And we shall be going in for a series of meetings even next term, as we agreed, as we promised last time. Thank you, parents, for the wonderful work that you are doing. Third, I want
to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Remember, today we are not only celebrating your academic achievement, but also we are celebrating your friendship and also the memories that we have had together for this time that you've been into school.
Ngoripoteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, elitariane Mildred Momanyi.